Welcome. In front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to connect a controller to this laptop. First of all, click these three icons on your status bar and make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled. If it's not, click this icon right here and make it turn the blue color. Then grab your controller, and if you have a DualSense controller like this one, what you have to do is press and hold the PlayStation button and create button simultaneously and wait until the lights start throbbing like this. This means that your device is in pairing mode. Now what you have to do is click the arrow icon next to the Bluetooth icon and select DualSense wireless controller, click on it, and this way the controller will be connected to your device. Now if you have an Xbox controller, what you have to do is just turn it on by pressing the Xbox logo button right here, and then press and hold the pairing button that is located in this place. I know why camera doesn't want to focus on the controller, but you have to press and hold the pair button and hold it until you see the notification on your display. Click on it, and this way the controller will be connected to your laptop. Now to remove the controller from your laptop, you have to open the list of your devices again, then go to more Bluetooth settings, and then tap the three dot icon right above your controller and select remove device. Wait until the device is removed, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.